Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back for the next video, guys. Just a heads up, you guys will be getting the Bitcoin and ETH videos delayed. It's for members. If you guys are interested in members, feel free to look in the description of this video below for the link to the Discord server and DM me or DM or message me on YouTube in the video below and I'll get back to you. The point of the members is so that way the serious traders have an area where they're not completely surrounded by people just going like buy, 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 sell, 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 pump, 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 dump, dump, dump. No, we want to be reasonable traders. So that's why I'm trying to keep people level-headed, and I will yell at you. I will call you. I will say mean things if you act like someone who's not in the same mindset of a trader as I am. If you're doing some crazy shit, I will try to warn you before you wreck yourself like I've already done multiple times in the past. So if I can avoid you to make some losses where I have already done it, that's the whole point of members. $20 a month, it helps the channel grow. Thank you so much. Okay, now what I'm trying to do is all these other videos I've already made in the past, I'm following up. This is the PYTH video. If you go look last, you would have seen that I said I was going to buy here. I would have tried to accumulate it if we got to 48 cents. We never got that drop down because it was so bullish. Now we got this huge spike up just in one day. Okay, you got, just quickly, you've got about a 40%. 41% move in one day, and then this huge drop back off, and here's the 0.5, which is right where we're at. So if today we close above that 70-cent mark, I'm looking for us to get into the 73 and 81 anyway. I was already said that we were looking for the top of the three red lines, but now once we get to this order block, I will be looking for the top of the three white, and then so on moving forward in level to level fashion as per the way that I do my trades. Now, if I bought over here when it gets to $1, obviously I've made over 100% on spot, and whatever the interest comes from this and all that, it's all that aside. But as of what I'm seeing right now, what I'm looking for, okay, on a reasonable manner, I'm going to go to a 4-hour time frame. And I know that today it's very important where this closes because the market is doing some very, very parabolic moves, and it might be a blow off top scenario as Bitcoin hits that local top. People are rotating profits, etc., etc., etc. What I'm looking for is a consolidation. I do not want to close underneath 65.50. If I can not close underneath this 70-cent, even better. Okay, even better. But I know that we are in very overbought conditions, but we had a nice big rejection sell-off, and already the selling is slowing down. If people are gonna be buying pipe for the reason what I assumed, it's for the staking, and they're gonna hold it even though it's gonna go down. Maybe even the people who, like me, were looking for a buying opportunity, will try to reaccumulate this all the way up to 57, 58 cents ish. Because you don't want to see really lower than 55, but like 58, and then try to reaccumulate this back up to this higher level. The reason why I'm looking for upside, okay, is due to the fact that people are buying and staking, okay. The minimum for a few airdrops is 1,000 PYTH tokens. So that's like a $700 investment now. When you did it with me, it was around like $550 or $600. Well, today it's 700, and if it closes above 70 cents, I'm looking for us to probably get into this 80, 90, almost like dollar area pretty soon, because now everyone has caught on. Wherever the people who are short here are now broken, and now people were probably going to lay out shorts, understanding why this is going in this parabolic manner. So as buying continues, as the shorts close, as they flip into buyers themselves, we will be looking for price discovery since this is above all-time high. And as we go into all-time high territory, hence why I have these three levels, I'm looking for 81 cents to clear. I know we already wicked, right? So people already like me had that level ready to take profit. Now, if they are doing what I'm doing, they could have sold their staking rewards if this was a staking coin, but you don't get PYTH for staking PYTH. I'm not really sure how that one, what the reward is. but you get the airdrops that are coming for PYTH stakers. And I will follow up as to what PYTH staking is. This might be one coin that I'm not on, so APY on. So anyway, pullback wise, I am gonna push this doodle a little bit higher after looking at the 4 hour and why we're looking for that low. I'm only gonna look for that leg down if we lose like this. We come down on a 4 hour open and close. We come back down to 65 cents. And then we do a dead cat bounce into 73 and we can't get back above 70-ish and close above 70 by the end of the day. Then I'll look for a retrace back into 57. Until then, I'm basically saying that this top, this level, these guys are trapped. Anyone who is short is trapped. The bulls are in control. We have so much space on daily before we even hit overbought conditions again, since we just basically came off a pullback. And that's what the bull flags are meant for. And yeah, so wait for the daily close. If you close underneath this order block, then you know, hey, you can come into this possibility of this trade. Okay, and you can get into this trade if you want, or add to your position if you want, whatever. If you close above 70 cents, then if you want to hedge your long, I mean, you're a spot and you want to take a short, well, I obviously, you have this wick. I wouldn't go for this wick. I would go for the next level. I would wait for weakness. So we would take over this level. We would go try to get to 89 cents and then fail 89 cents and then lose this 81 cents. I would activate my short and I would hold it probably until 73, 65, whatever. And that is just to protect the spot that I bought at 55, 58 cents. Meaning that when I bought this at 55, 58, and I'm doing this short at around 90, I'm locking in that 25, 30 cents in a straddle, meaning that as long as price sits between this 90 cent area where I short and above this area here, I will make money on the funding of the short because my spot doesn't charge me long. Like the perpetuals, they pay funding every 8 hours. If I have a short and we're consolidating for like 3, 4 weeks, the short will pay me and I can have a stop loss in profit or break even. And that's basically to protect my short so that way if we go under my entry, I have an opportunity not to lose any money from my original investment. So that way I can hold this long term forever kind of thing. But at least that way, if this wants to go to zero, as people will say, you're going to lose 90%. Say we come all the way to 42 cents to test this price action. Well, at least my short will pay me for anything under 55 cents, and I can close my short. And hopefully, the funding is in the side for shorts this entire time. So when I do close it, I will get paid the funding rate that I got for holding it that long, and I'll close it in the green. And then basically, I can decide to take those profits and add into my long, assuming that, hey, you guys did that liquidity sweep, right? And we started this move from this little channel, whatever. So if you really do set up some kind of a failure over here and you bring price action back here, trap people at like 73 cents, and you come back down to test the original breakout, well, I can close my short around 42 cents. And then when this comes lower, I can add to my original long in this lower area. I can add my long and take my short profits and put it into my long and then wait for this next retest into that higher levels. I mean, just don't fool yourself, guys. The bull run is here. This is not gonna just stop here. We didn't even start the bull run. The happening is not even here. No one even knows what the fuck pipe is. Okay, as people understand what an Oracle pipe is, what it used to do for Solana, and now what it's doing for other chains, you will see people buy and hold and all that stuff. Right now, I'm not saying you need to chase into this. No financial advice given here. I'm just giving you what I'm doing. But you will see a little bit of a pullback due to the fact that you have bearish divergence edge coming up to the tops. So when these pullbacks come, that's why I said doodle time. Hey, I'm ready for this to come all the way down to 35 cents if it wants to, because I will be in a short hedged under where I entered to protect my original money. So I'm not here to give money back to The point of the matter is you can make money up, down, left, right, in circle, 360, as long as you know what the heck you're doing and you plan it properly. There's plenty of tools in this crypto world on every exchange for you to make money no matter what the market does. So if you're crying because the market's just not going up, just take your money and give it to JP Morgan or Berkshire Hathaway or someone else who can manage your money and they can trade swings and accumulate more, because other than that, the only thing you can do is park your money in an index fund and just be okay with whatever the average for that year is. So if S&P is 10% up for the year, that's good, you know? But if you want to make more than the average Joe, if you want to make more than your neighbor, if you're in a $1 billion neighborhood, every billionaire there's got the same stuff, but the difference is what are they doing to keep their buying power growing? If the people are just chilling on their cash, obviously they're losing buying power. If they're not up on the new technology, their neighbor next door who's younger, who's in tech or healthcare or whatever, is probably going to make more money than you, who's like freaking drilling oil or whatever. So that's all my thought process, guys. I got to go to get work. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. Like I said, if you want to join members for my nonsense rants, feel free to join. The link to the Discord is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that help this channel grow. Please do not ape into anything. If you like Pyth and you want to buy it, I literally just told you what I'm looking for. Will it come? I don't know. And matter of fact,